awaken the mother mind within every one of you human beings. Our people believe that every human being, male or female, has got two minds, the mother mind and the warrior mind. The warrior mind looks at things logically. The warrior mind says 2 + 2 is 4. But the mother mind says nothing of that kind. The mother mind, I don't know how I can explain. The mother mind does not think in a line way as warriors do. The mother mind thinks sideways, and upwards and downwards. We must awaken the mother mind within us. We must feel what is going on in the world.
Sibingelele. Ubaba uCredo Motwa ukhuluma ngokuthi umuntu unemqondo ewu2. You have the warrior mind. I-warrior mind ngingayifanisa nokuthi i-programmed mind. Yabo? Into ofundiswa yona uyithathe njengoba injalo bese uyifake phi kwi-warrior mind emqondweni wakho. That is the warrior mindset, warrior mind. Yabo? I-mother mind uyayichaza ubaba uCredo Motwa lapho ukuthi ile ecabangayo, ehluphayo ukuthi ake ngifuna iqiniso lalento engitsheliwe. Ake ngifuna ilogic yalento engitsheliwe. Where is the logic kulento? I-warrior mindset ayibheki ilogic. Into ithatha njengoba injalo. I-mother mind ifuna ilogic yento, isense yento. Yabo? Ubuqiniso bento. Yabo? That is the mother mindset. Into ebuhlungu kakhulu ukuthi abantu abamnyama noma sabantu abamnyama sibulewe i-mother mind. That's why kunzima ukuthi siye phambili. Sibulewe i-mother mind. I-mindset le efuna iqiniso lento, i-mindset le efuna ilogic entweni. Yabo? I-mindset le equestionayo into before ithathe. Nanka amathuluzi awu3 asebenziswayo ukuthi abulale i-mother mind. Number 3, isonto, religion. Yabo? Thina sazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu usezulwini kanti uNkulunkulu kuwe. Thina sazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukuze umtholomele uye esontweni kanti uNkulunkulu uphila kuwe. Thina sazi ukuthi umuntu mekushaya ihlathi ngala mnike esinye ihlathu. That is the warrior mindset. Where is the logic in that? Thina sazi ukuthi thina uNkulunkulu umlungu wakhetha isizwe sabelungu futhi abelungu siyobe sinabezulwini. Kodwa basifuni la emhlabeni basidalaza ngani ngemsebenzi. Baphuza amakhofu bona ekseni wena ubhizi ujuluka umanzi ite. Mina nithi nakubone nohlala nabo mhlawumbe mina bangcono banibalekele kodwa nithi nizobe ninabezulwini. Where is the logic in that? Sibanjwe ngani? Sibanjwe nge-religion. Umuntu akasakwazi ukuthi acabange freely because ithuluzi leli lo-creator i-warrior mindset, i-programmed mindset. Kuzothi number 2, ithuluzi elisebenziswayo ukubulala i-mother mind, isikole esisebenziswayo. Yabona into uma ufundiswa yona, into e-wrong uyafundiswa yona. Uma ufundiswa yona bese kuthiwa hamba uyobhala i-test. Le test losukuyibhala, it's a process ukuthi lento abakufundise yona kumele ibe iqiniso lakho. Ukuthi i-wrong akunamsebenzi kodwa kuwena kumele ibe iqiniso. As much as i-wrong. For example, uzofundiswa esikoleni ukuthi uJesu wazalwa ngoDisemba 25. Uzofundiswa and zafundiswa ingane zethu. Kodwa ayikho leyo nto. There's no logic, there's no evidence. Kodwa ziyafundiswa and ziyayikholwa ukuthi iqiniso ngoDisemba 25 kuzalwa uJesu. Ziyafundiswa ingane esikoleni ukuthi 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Ziyafundiswa ingane esikoleni ukuthi 1 times 1 equals to 1. This does not have logic. How can 1 times 1 be 1? How can an action times an action not equal to a reaction? How does it make sense? How does it make sense? There's no logic. Kodwa we believe it ukuthi it's true. That is the warrior mindset. So ziningi izinto ezamanga nomlando wamanga nezinto eziphambanisiwe esifunde ezikoleni ezi create le warrior mindset. Bese siyatestwa kuzona ukuze zizoba iqiniso lethu. Zingezosiza in the end. Kuzothi number 1, ithuluzi elisebenziswayo ukubulala imother mind. Imedia ihlukeneke, ama-radio, ama-TV, ama-newspaper. Yabona into uma uyizwa all over, leyo nto iphenduka iqiniso lakho. Uthi uyahamba ngala uyayizwa, uthi uhamba ngala uyayizwa, uthi uvula i-TV uyayizwa, uthi uvula lesiteshi uyayizwa, uthi uye-newspaper uyayibona. Leyo nto iphenduka iqiniso, and bayibhala ngendlela yeqiniso labo ekumele ukuthi ulazi wena. If kubeka umuntu la, mhlawumbe kubeka umongameli kuthiwa wenza ukuthi unenkohlakalo, akudingekile ukuthi kuveze ubufakazi. Bekubhaliwe nje bazokholwa abantu. Kugcwale all over. If kuthiwa kunesifo la, sebabhubhisa abantu, bazokholwa abantu, because this tool le ebizwa ngokuthi imedia iyona esebenziswayo. Le information i-everywhere. Uma into i-everywhere iphenduka iqiniso kubantu. Yabo, ithuluzi leli elibulala imother mind, imedia. So as abantu abamnyama, we are way behind when it comes to information eyiqiniso, because we no longer use the mother mind, we use the warrior mind. I-warrior mind le eyakhiwe emasontweni, i-warrior mind le eyakhiwe ezikoleni, i-warrior mind le eyakhiwe imedia. Those are the tools asebenziswayo ukuthi sibulawe imother mind. Asisafuni iqiniso entweni, asisafuni ilogic entweni. Siyaxheshwa nje into njengoba injalo, siyithatha siyikholwe senze iqiniso lethu, siyidefend futhi singayifela ngisho ukuyifela, defend amanga. Sicela ukuthi sibambe la. Siyabonga kakhulu.